Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see, does the Vivo Y200 support HDMI connectivity or not? Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and from here just search MHL Checker. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install the MHL Checker on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. Now, you might ask, what is MHL? MHL stands for Mobile High Definition Link. It is an interface which allows your smartphone to connect with a TV. Now from here, just tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right of your smartphone. Now just tap on Done. And from here, just tap on Check. Now, as you can see, this device does not support MHL connectivity, which means the Vivo Y200 does not support HDMI connectivity. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.